Okay, we're going to do a little bit of modifying this morning. We're going to be putting stainless steel cover on the manifold there, and we're going to put a induction kit on. I'm going to see what it looks like after that and see how it goes. Right, the Durenza intake system's on. Quite solid that is. That isn't coming off. And fitted now the stainless steel manifold cover. I like that as well, needs a bit of a polish. All my dirty fingers have been all over it. Doesn't look brilliant with that one, I'll have to put the cover over. But yeah, pleased with that. Just got to start it, see if it runs. Of course after I've put the battery on.